Come over here.
Daddy, what do you want?
You can use the computer, alright?
Why?
Because I want you.
I want to play Fortnite.
Alright, just go play Fortnite then.
Okay.
Jeffy, let me watch some TV. Why, Jeffy? Come back over here. Never mind. You cannot play Fortnite because you have school tomorrow.
I don't want to go to school, Daddy.
You're still gonna go to school. So, like, watch YouTube or something like that. You go watch some
Ah.
TV.
Daddy, there's nothing to say.
Oh, why you change it, Jeffy? Jeffy!
What you want, Daddy?
Daddy,
What you want, Daddy?
why did you change the TV?
Cause I can.
Hey, oh, Jeffy! Hey, stop, Jeffy! Why? I'm gonna beat you up! Hey, come over here! Come over here! You getting whoopings!
Ding dong.
Someone's at the door! Get at the door!
Mario?
Yes?
Where's my house payment?
I don't have it.
Let me get inside.
Alright, come on. Alright, come on here.
You see?
Be good.
You see this remote car, right?
Yeah?
These are your boss.
What? No, that's not.
Give me your house payment by 3 a.m.
Alright, I will. I'll try. How am I gonna get my house payment in 3 a.m.? I'm trying to think how do I pay my house payment? Alright, Jeffy?
Daddy,
No.
shut up.
No. Oh, Jeffy, I'm not playing Nerf guns. Yo, you better not go into me. Jeffy, stop. Jeffy, stop.
Daddy, fuck you.
Oh. Go. Oh, Jeffy, stop using it.
Daddy!
Come here, Jeffy. Oh, get down. Oh, get him whoopings.
Ding dong.
Who's in the door? Jeffy, what do you want me? Yes.
Mario, it's 3 a.m.
No, it's not. It's barely 2:30.
Let's your boss sex.
No.
Let me sit up.
I can't. Okay, I'm trying to go pay me. I'm gonna go wait. Yes. I got it.
What's that?
It's a soccer ball.
How much did it cost?
$1 million.
I don't think so.
Oh yes. Oh. All right, just take it. It's gold.
Fuck you.
Jeffy, where are you? I'm here, Daddy.
Daddy, fuck you.
Why are you saying that?
Daddy, you can't catch me.
Come over here, Jeffy.
Daddy, you're too slow.
I'm old, dumbass. Oh. I hate you.
Daddy, that's what you get. And fuck you.
Alright, whatever.
That's why you don't have a girlfriend. I fucked her.
What?
I want like,
Speak your language. Speak your language.
shut up.
Hey, I'm gonna put you up.
Daddy, you're too slow.
Whatever. It doesn't.
You charge it. Daddy, where's mommy?
Mommy's there. Yeah.
Oh, well, why did I hear this last night? Why?
Because I was fucking the other girl. That's what I was doing.
Daddy,
What?
I want to watch TV.
Watch them for me.
I ain't no dumbass. Which channel do I want to watch? Nah.
Yes, that one, Jeffrey. That one. Oh, no, yeah, that one. Yeah, that one. Go.
What,
put it,
Donnie?
put it. Oh, I hate you, Jeffrey.
Donnie, fuck you.
Oh my God, Jeffrey. You see one more bad word, you're grounded.
Fuck you.
And you're grounded. No, you stay there.
Fuck you.
Ow. Why are you out of the corner?
Come on, chicken. Go, 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 go.
Oh. Stop. Stop.
Donnie can find me.
Whatever. Yeah, then watch some TV.
That's what you get.
Oh my god. We called on this. What the fuck are you doing, chicken? I'm gonna kill you. You're gonna die. Oh my god. Wait, dumbass. Get the hell out of here. Alright.
Daddy,
Yes.
what to do?
Chicken's sleeping. Yeah, he's sleeping. Look. He's sleeping. Yeah, he's sleeping.
Mr. Chicken, wake up.
He's sleeping. He's asleep. Ow. I'm telling you this is right. Oh.
That's what you get, Donnie.
And then look.
Mr. Chicken.
Oh, he's alive. Oh my god. Oh. Where am I?
Daddy, it's torture time.
What?
Okay, chicken. Yeah, let's go ride the Lambo.
Alright.
You want to ride first or me?
Yeah.
Ow.
There. Oh. Ow. What the? You're slammed by the chicken. You're getting the move because it's better itself. Get out.
Daddy, you broke the car.
I did not know it was you with your fat ass chicken. No, it wasn't, Daddy. He's not fat. He's skinny. Alright? He's skinny. Daddy, can you bring me a new car? No! Jeffrey! Oh, god damn! I'll buy you one then! Yay! Chicken, we're gonna get a new one! Yeah, alright, let's go. It works!
Chicken, can I have a piggyback ride? Let's push Daddy.
Alright. Yeah.
Daddy, that's what you get.
You're gonna die, mother trucker! Die! Oh, Jeffrey, stop! Oh, this chicken is mine! Die! No! Go!
Chicken, hold him.
Go.
Let me just get loaded.
Relax, you better not, Jeffrey! Jeffrey! Stop it! Get the shit out of my way! Oh, down! Oh! No, not in the shoe! Oh.
Donnie, get out the shoe. Chicken, stop it.
Oh.
Put your hands up, Daddy. Who's the best?
You, Jeffrey, whatever, down. Just stop messing with me. Oh, Jeffrey!
What, Donnie?
Why did you do that? I'm gonna kill your chicken. Die, chicken! Die!
Hell no, Donnie. Headshot.
Come on. Die, mother trucker. Die.
Donnie, fuck you.
Look at the shoe.
Put your hands up.
Oh, what you want, Jeffy? You didn't love you.
Ow.
Oh, don't stop. Damn, Jeffy, this bullet. Oh my god.
Chicken, squish. Fuck you, darn. Chicken, let's get a piggyback ride.
Go.
To my room.
Go.
Chicken, where are we going?
Sorry. Go.
This is my room. Open it. Let's get out. Oh, hey, chicken. This is my other room.
Orlando,
¿Qué?
al cuarto de tu tío, no, porque después tu tío se enoja.
You won't know. Chicken, close the door. Chicken, good boy. Let's go. Let's go
Váyanse
back.
mejor a aquel cuarto,
¿Cuál?
al de atrás. Ahorita que no está llorando.
Nah, later. Chicken, what? You're hungry?
Yeah.
There's some food right there. Eat my darling. Wait, first let me cook him. Get in there, daddy. Help! No, here's the cookie. Help!
Help! Help!
Fuck you, daddy.
Jafar, get me out of here! I'll give you whatever you want. Toys. Please, Jafar. I'll give you whatever you want.
Let my chicken take your leg off.
Oh my.
Chicken, that tastes good, right?
Go.
Okay, chicken, stop it. Okay, chicken. Okay, daddy. Next, I want you to do is listen to my commands.
Okay, Jafar. Whatever, just give me out.
Chicken, bring me my car. Thank you, chicken. Now let me run you over. Darn, you're going to die. Donnie, you just made me cry. Donnie, chicken, help. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.